Hey yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my wonderful YouTube channel. My name is Robert Chronicles. Guys, life in the village, we are trying to install electricity or power in our store. Uh, in our store, this is where we keep chicken, of course, and a few other stuffs like sacks of maize, beans. You understand the work of a store. So guys, we were just trying to install electricity in almost each room in our storeroom. Yeah, in the meantime, guys, how are you? How are you doing? Welcome back. Remember to always subscribe to my wonderful YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Road to 2,000 subscribers, kama kawaida. So, guys, in the meantime, I will be sharing you a video of me and Agatha on a video call. Agatha is currently in Nairobi, and I'm left in the village, Kakamega County. Yeah, guys, so Agatha ko Nairobi. I missed her so much. How are you doing, Agatha? I hope you're doing fine. We are doing life in the village. We're doing good, and we're just trying to coping up. We're just trying to cope up with the life for 2025 as we go on. So, guys, installing electricity in our storeroom. That is what we are doing today. At the same time, by the way, guys, I will be taking my mom to the cyber. She's trying to fill these forms of retirement benefits, something of the sort to do with the retirements and beneficiaries. You understand what's going on in Kenya right now, yeah. So I'll be taking my mom to the cyber to assist her in one or two things. So guys, in the meantime, thank you for watching our videos. Always like, comment, and share, and let's go to road to 2,000 subscribers, and all in all, we will be happy when we reach there as a family.
Tuende tupime tuweke
Hiyo ni yangu.
huko. Tumepoteza mzee ingine inaitwa small man.
Natengeneza stima.
So guys, as I had said, this is our storehouse where we store equipments, be it equipments for building, for planting crops and other things, maize, beans, and so many things. So at least we shall have light in this room, especially at night. There was a problem with electricity, but now that we've made it, I think itakuwa mzuri sasa. We can access it well at night. These are other sacks of maize zilibaki hapa nje, zimetolewa kwa shamba, so we are supposed to put this sack of maize inside the store. So guys, there was a problem with this banana plant. It fell down actually, Just this January it rained and some bananas fell, so imekuwa chini for some time. We realized that it is not growing so well, so we just decided to cut it so that we pluck the ones that are good and cook. Yeah, so you can see it was not growing that well, so it had a problem. So we just had to do something and cut it so that we use the ones that are good. And on the other side, guys, on the other hand, this was a good banana actually. You can see the kind of breed that this banana is. It is that breed of short and fat banana. You can see it is short and fat. Yeah, so this one is for cooking. Kuna zile za kuivisha, za kuiva, and kuna zile za kupika. So this one is suitable for cooking, as you can see it. So this one's here, this is manure, mbolea. Manure in Swahili language is mbolea. So guys, I brought my mom to a local cyber in a village. We were coming to fill in some on some documents about the retirement benefits, the retirees and beneficiaries, something of the sort. You understand what's going on actually, so that's what we were doing. It is a process that needs national IDs, birth certificates, and so many things. So I was just trying to help my mom. She's old and she needed assistance, so we are together doing some few stuffs and processing some documents.